Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to tag someone on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to tag someone on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to tag someone. And after that, guys, you will be tagging someone only on 2 or 3 places. One is on the Messenger group chat, where there you will be tagging someone, and on other places are on Facebook, that is on your post and on somebody's comments or group posts comments. Now, in order to tag somebody on your post, first let's create a post over here and let's type the post. This is a demo post. And after that, guys, let's go back and let's see these icons by tapping on the 3 dotted icons at the below bottom right corner of the screen. Tap over there and this will appear, and in order to tag people, you can see there is the tag people option available for us, which is the second option. Tap on tag people, and over here you can tab your friends over here. Now I'll be searching for my account, another account just for demo purpose, and let's tap on done at the top right corner, and let's tap on done, and you can see, guys, they have been tagged. And let's go back, and the moment you post this post with anything, it may be your friend will be tagged like this, where you can see on the top of the screen where it says which register. There are 2 accounts shown to us. And with that being done, guys, let's get back, and now let's discard the post. Now, in order to tag somebody on a group, just go to that group and tap on the comment of any post. And over here, guys, you can tag a person by typing @ and the name of that person which you can see, and my friends and the person who are on my Facebook are available over here. So if I again type my name, and you can see, guys, that account is available again. Let's tap on it, and this way you can tag people on comment also. And guys, this is how you can tag someone on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.